It's Brendan from Whispernode here, and I got Carter over here. Say what's up, Carter.
Hello, everyone. It's Carter Woetzel from the Secret Foundation. Looking forward to making a little secret auctions video for you guys.
All right. Like Carter said, today we're going to run you guys through how to create and bid using the secret auctions site. So first thing you're going to do is go to auctions.secret.network here. I'm going to click this Enter At button. And I'm going to create the auction on my end, and then Carter is going to bid on that auction along with another wallet of mine and kind of show you a scenario where there's multiple bidders bidding on the auction. So I'm going to click this Create an Auction button here, and I'm going to sell some CFI. I'm going to sell 10 CFI, and my asking price is going to be 0.20 per CFI, which is going to be converted to a minimum bid of 2 secret. I'm going to keep this auction open for 10 minutes. That looks good to me, and I'm going to click this continue button here. I'm going to confirm the details of the auction. Click confirm. And before creating the auction, I'm going to have to allow the auction contract to access my tokens. So I'm going to approve that transaction here. All right, it looks like that allowance transaction went through. And next it's going to ask me to create that auction. I'm going to click approve. All right, I'm getting a 502 error here. However, I believe this is a current bug, and I believe that auction was in fact created.
Yep, and I can actually see it on my end right now because I'm looking at list of current auctions, and there is now an active live auction that will be closing in about 15 minutes, and that was your auction. So
awesome. So I'm gonna cancel out of this because that auction is actually live. If I go to current auctions here and filter by CFI, you can see that auction I created, and we're going to go over to Carter's screen now, and we're going to show you what that looks like for the bidder.
Yep, guys, so you can now see my screen over here. I'm on the auction for C5 for secret. This is the auction that Brendan made. I'm going to go ahead and place the minimum bid, which is 2 secret. You can create a viewing key to view kind of the details of your own auction, but right now I'm just going to go ahead and place the bid. This will queue up a Kepler transaction over here. We'll just go ahead and accept it. And unfortunately for me, Brendan will be outbidding me. So he will be winning this auction. You'll see here, success, bid placed for 2 secret. We'll go ahead and jump back to Brendan's screen now.
All right, so I'm going to jump into that active auction here. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to switch my Kepler wallets here and bid on this from another wallet. So give me a second here. I'm going to switch wallets.
And while that's happening, I'm just going to go ahead and show the create viewing key. This is once you've already placed a bid. Might as well take a brief preview of what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and click on approve. It's creating my viewing key. And now you can see, once you create your viewing key, you can see your past bids. So you can see here on the UI my current bid. I can make other bids as well, and those would all populate here. But you can't view your bids unless you create that viewing key. So that's just a small little detail for any of you curious about that. Throw it back to Brendan now.
Cool, looks like I'm all set up on that wallet. So I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to go to current auctions, find that active auction again. And this time I'm going to bid 30 cents per CFI for a total of 3 secret. So I'm going to click place bid here. And approve that transaction. All right, and it tells me I successfully placed a bid for 3 secret. All right, so it looks like that bid went through, guys. I'm going to switch wallets back to the original auction creation wallet, And as I switch wallets, Carter is going to show you how to retract your bid if you would like to do that. So take it away, Carter.
Yeah, so once you've created a viewing key for the bid, you can see all of your bids, but also opens up the functionality to retract a bid, which is very helpful if you feel like you've bid too much and want to get rid of that. So we're going to go ahead and click on retract here. I'm going to go ahead and retract my bid for whatever reason. Note that I have no clue what the other bid amounts are. That's the whole point of secret network and encryption and this OTC is all auctions are kept private and encrypted, which is great. But we go ahead and approve that transaction, and you can see it here. It's retracting the bid, and we get the little UI pop-up that says bid retracted. We'll go ahead and send it back to Brendan now with the original auction wallet. He's going to go ahead and close out the auction and complete the transaction for the highest bidder.
All right, guys, so I'm back here with the Whisper tutorial wallet that created this auction. I'm going to just go back to the current auctions page and click that auction I created there. I'm going to create the viewing key that Carter did earlier.
Note that this will look slightly different because this is from the wallet that created the auction versus a bidder. It should be a slightly different UI when you've created the auction.
All right, and so now that I have that viewing key, you see that this little owner manage auction window popped up here. I can either update my asking price or I can close the auction. You can see here that bid status. It's showing me that I have at least one bid on the auction. So I'm going to go ahead and close this auction so you guys can see what that looks like. So I'm going to click close auction. And then that gives me the option of either extending the auction if there's no bids or close the auction no matter what. I know there was one bid there, so I'm going to close auction no matter what. And I'm going to get that pop-up in Kepler. You can see that closing an auction is a little expensive. It's about half a secret there. I'm going to click approve. All right, and now I get the message that the auction has been closed. So now if I go into my Whisper tutorial wallet that created the auction, I will see that I got 3 secret from my other wallet that won the bid. So I will now have 3 more secret in my tutorial wallet. And if I were to go to my bidding wallet, I would see that I now have 10 CFI. I'm not going to do that in this tutorial for brevity's sake, but that is what I would see in those wallets. So
in addition to that, if you go ahead and click on My Auctions, Brendan, there is the super nice functionality that was added on the left side there that shows you all of your current bids and the auctions one. You can switch to the seller component because I believe you're on the auction wallet. And that will give you the details of your past auctions, which is really nice as well.
Very cool. That's an awesome dashboard update there. Thank you, Carter, for mentioning that. Carter, is there anything else we didn't cover that you think we should?
No, I think so. I think that was good. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post it in the comments below. We'd be happy to answer any questions. And yeah, thanks, Brendan, for putting this together.
All right. Thanks, Carter. And thank you guys for watching. As Carter said, drop by the Discord chat.secret.network or drop by the Telegram. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.